Hello friends, I am Sambita. Welcome to my channel. Today I will share with you guys Christmas jar craft. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. For new video notification, please press the bell icon. Follow me on my Instagram account Sambita's channel and Facebook page Sambita. So let's get started. At first we need LED tea light candle, red ribbon, foam sheet, snowflakes, acrylic color, double-sided tape, glue, small wooden toy, artificial snow, Masson jar, Christmas tree, let's start. At first, apply glue on the Christmas tree. Now put it on the foam sheet. Now put the toy with glue. Now put it into the jar. Now color the jar with sky blue color and white color and make snow. Now cut the double-sided tape. Put the double-sided tape on the LED tea light candle. Now press it on the lid like this way. Now pour the artificial snow into the bottle. If you don't have artificial snow, you can use salt. Now close the lid. Now put the snowflakes with glue like this. Now put the red ribbon on the jar's cover. Our Christmas jar craft is ready. You can use it as a home decor item or give it to your friends as a gift. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope this DIY video will help you a lot. Give me your feedback on comment section below. See you on my next video. Till then, stay creative, stay happy. Bye-bye.